Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Well, changing the wallpaper can give a feeling of freshness and change to the look of smartphone. It can help avoid visual saturation and provide a pleasant variety in the user's experience. Okay, and then how to do that on this device? First thing first, please long press on your screen like this. Okay, and then here you can select wallpaper and style option. Okay, and then here you can click on this option, my wallpaper. And then many cute wallpapers will appear here. Okay, next here we can choose the suitable wallpaper. And then you can select which one you will set your wallpaper for. Okay, and then click set unlock and home screen option. Okay, and then now your device wallpaper is successfully changed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.